Hey guys, it's Sydney here, and I just wanted to take a few minutes of your time to walk you through how to use Seller.Tools Alerts. So our alerts are insanely powerful. What you can do is keep track of over 10 incredibly important different attributes in your product listing, and be notified in a number of different channels so you can stay tapped into changes at the account level, product level, and keyword level for your listings. So we're going to walk through how to set up your very first alert at the product level, and just how easy this is. So you can go over here and select a number of different products. So we're just going to choose a few of these products here. Go up to Configure Alerts, and this will take us into our alert flow. So as you can see, we have these three products that I selected. You can add other products manually by ASIN here, and choose them if they are in your product manager. And I will go ahead and click Next. And this will take us to our template page. So while all of your alerts are fully customizable, the first ones that you'll be given the option to add to your product are ones that are really common, that you've set up that you want to apply really quickly and easily. So one of these first ones is that reviewable is false. This means that your product is not eligible to receive reviews. If the buy box has changed on your product, or if your review rating has changed or dropped below a certain threshold. So I'm actually just going to choose reviewable as false. We'll select this one here that I want to add this to these particular products. Click Next. And this is the template that we have set up. So right now I'm receiving this as an in-app alert whenever my product is not eligible to receive reviews. And as you can imagine, this is incredibly important. You definitely want to know if nobody is able to leave a review on your listing. But what's so awesome about this is I can actually, in addition to my templates, select from a number of different features that I want to track on my listing. So these are all at the product level here. And then some of these keyword rank, if you're indexed for a keyword, these are more at the keyword level. So we'll go ahead and choose, let's see, we want to know if our product has been marked as adult. So we'll say is set. We definitely want to be notified right away, because that'll completely change the visibility across all of our listings. So now that I've chosen the parameters, I'll click Next Step. And now we're going to choose how we want to receive this alert. So we have the options to receive it in-app, but you can choose to receive it as an email, right in Facebook Messenger, with an account that you have connected, or through the Seller.Tools API, and this will create a webhook that you can use with Zapier or a number of different platforms to integrate with this important data. So I'm actually going to choose Facebook Messenger for this one. I want to know right away if my product has been set as adult. So from here, I can choose the accounts that I have connected to my Seller.Tools account. I'm just going to choose our demo account, click Confirm. And you can send a test to Facebook Messenger just to make sure everything is connected and working right. But it looks good to go for me. So I'm actually just going to click Save. And this will take me right to my page with all of my different alerts that I have set up for my different products. So as you can see, hugely powerful. It's great to have all of this information in one place. You can keep track of your different history for alerts that you have received, and just keep an eye on all the ones you have set up across your entire account. So I hope this was helpful for you guys in figuring out how you can set up alerts in just a few minutes in Seller.Tools. This will really help you keep an eye on some of the most important aspects of your listings and your ranking in general, how you will always stay on top and tapped in to some of the most important metrics you need to be tracking at all times. So if you're interested or want to jump into the platform to learn more, I definitely encourage you to do so. We have a couple more in-depth videos on the platform that'll walk you through how to set up alerts at the keyword level. And I really hope you guys can jump in and explore the possibilities here.